days. You know, I'm connected with Edo State in many ways. And I say to the governor, not from what I have seen, no, because he hasn't invited me to come and see anything, but from what I have heard, he should continue along the way he's going. If what the governor is doing here, he continues along that way, and other governors, if we have 50% of our governors performing, then Nigeria would be on the way to what God has created it to be. When I was dealing with that in the past, it was mainly young girls from the state. But now I understand that young men have also been added, which is rather unfortunate. The assessment of the governor is that 65% of human trafficking out from Nigeria to outside Nigeria, the victims are from the state, and they're doing something about it, which is also very heartening. But whatever he is doing, he needs the support of the federal government to be able to stem the tide of this nefarious trade. In my time, it was really girls who are taken to Europe for prostitution. But now I understand boys are also trafficked for human parts, for slave labor. And this must not be allowed to continue. The governor is going places, he's doing everything, and he admits that because when you have a problem, the first thing is to know that the problem is there, it's yours, and then you have a solution. He admits most of these people are from Edo State. There's nothing bad in knowing that the problem is yours and you will spearhead the solution. And that's what he's doing. But then he cannot do it alone. He has to have the backing and support of federal government. He has to have the backing and support of well-meaning agencies and organizations and institutions from outside Nigeria.
Governor is ready to receive all our returnees. We received some of them, and we are already giving them support. We resettle them. What did they do before? Okay, you don't want to do that in again. Okay, which other work you want to do? Do you want to go into skill acquisition? Do you want to go into ICT? Do you want to be involved in the industrial park? Do you want to be involved in agriculture? All these programs are there. Even loan day, microcredit scheme, we have already disbursed 2 billion out of the money that is made available to us. So if in our business you won't do 100,000, 500,000, so women, they will be saying they get 2 million naira self and they don't pay back. So all these facilities are available for Edo State, and the governor is ready to even add more money to that basket.
Are now owning up to their responsibility. The Edo State government is coming for the 9th time. The best I know is that Edo State is carrying on a education program. They are also partnering with Action Aid, an NGO that has a legroom of about 1,900 people to be rehabilitated.
Edo government gets plenty things for us. So when I reach there, I go begin to see them one by one. But they don't force you.